Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix Spotify playing random songs using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Spotify app and click on your library at the lower right corner of your screen. And then now just go ahead and choose any playlist that you want. So for example, this one. So as you can see, there's these two arrows, right? I think that's what you call the intersected arrows. So just go ahead and click on that, because if that arrows are color green, that means that your shuffle feature is enabled. Okay, so if that arrows are color green, it means that your Spotify will play random songs that is on this playlist. Okay, so if you don't want to play any random songs, just go ahead and turn that off, and as you can see that the arrows are now color gray. Okay, and that should fix your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.